So as I started today, we will be talking on kids' health. Okay, so this is to strengthen your kids' immune system with the right nutrition. So today we will be talking exclusively on kids' health and exclusively on products which will help you to strengthen your kids' immune system. Okay. So first, let us see about immunity and kids' health. So healthy food means healthy kids. Okay. So we all know that if our kids eat healthy, then obviously they are going to be healthy. Okay. So we always relate healthy food to healthy kids. So we always want to make sure that our kids always have the best of food and best of health that we can ever give them. Okay. So now there are two things which we should understand. Okay. So does your kid eat healthy? Yes. Okay. If your answer is yes, then there is absolutely nothing to worry, is what you will feel. But is that correct? No. Because even if your kid eats healthy today, are your kids getting enough nutrition from all the food that they are eating? That is something what we will see today. All right. And does your kid eat healthy? If your answer is no, then there are all the more chances that you need to worry, because your kid is not getting any of the necessary nutrition for their body. All right. So let us see what are the healthy habits that you can adapt, so that will give your child's immune system a boost. Okay. So there are certain healthy habits which we can incorporate into our kids' life, which will help us to improve our kids' immune system. Okay. So the first thing is more servings of fruits and vegetables in your kids' diet. Okay. So I have mentioned here specifically that it has to be preferably organic or homegrown. So this is exclusively because there is something called as adulteration that happens in our food these days. So we will talk about adulteration little later. So more servings of fruits and vegetables, preferably organic or homegrown, to ensure that the fruits and vegetables are loaded with nutrients. Okay. We must make sure that we give our kids a physically active lifestyle. So we see that these days kids are generally glued on to the television. They are always sitting with the mobile in their hand, playing some games. All right. So there is absolutely not much of an active lifestyle, which leads to a lot of issues like childhood obesity and other lifestyle disorders which kids get at an early age. Okay. And then the third one is adequate sleep. So it is very important to make sure that our kids get enough sleep in their everyday routine. Okay. So we see that these days, because of the competition which is there, okay, parents are always behind their kids and they put them into some or the other class. Okay. So morning kids have some sports class, then they have their regular school, then they come back, they have their tuitions, evening they have some entertainment class. So overall what happens is we are compromising on the kids routine and the lifestyle, where the kid sometimes does not get adequate sleep. So it is very important that our kids get adequate or enough sleep, so that they are able to manage their health. All right. Other than all these three, it is very important to give them some health supplements which can help us to boost their immunity. Okay. So why health supplements for young kids is something which we are going to see in today's presentation. Okay. So we know that earlier kids have been eating homemade food, and all the fruits and vegetables and lentils and everything, and they have been perfectly fine. Okay. If the food was healthy, then obviously the kids were healthy. But is that the same scenario in today's generation? That is what we'll see today, and we will understand that only eating healthy food is not a key to have a good immune system or a healthy lifestyle. It is very important for us to incorporate health supplements in our kids' diet to boost immunity. All right. So now let us see how fruits and vegetables form an inevitable part of the kids' diet, and what are they rich in. Okay. And why do we say that your kids' diet should have plenty of fruits and vegetables? All right. So fruits and vegetables must form an inevitable part of any kid's diet. Okay. This is because they are rich in vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, fiber, and antioxidants. So basically, if your kid has enough of fruits and vegetables in their diet, then they generally get all the essential vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, fiber, and antioxidants that their body actually needs. All right. So diets high in fruits and vegetables are widely recommended for their health promoting properties. So if you see fruits and vegetables, since they are rich in all these nutrients, they are widely recommended. So if you go to your doctors, pediatricians, or if you go to our elders like your grandmother, great grandmother, they will always say that kids need to have enough of fruits and vegetables in their diet because they have various health promoting properties and they are adequate in nutrition. Okay, so that is the whole idea of including fruits and vegetables in our kids diet. All right, so now let us see, in today's world, is adding enough fruits and vegetables going to be sufficient to keep your kids healthy? Okay, so that is where this adulteration in natural food comes. So today probably we give a bowl of fruits and a bowl of vegetables every day in your kids diet. Okay, but still at some point of time we will see that our kids are deficient in calcium, some kids would be deficient in iron, and then the doctors would give them some iron syrup, some calcium syrup, some vitamin syrup. So why is all this happening? When we are giving healthy food to our kids, why is there a need to give them all these supplements, syrups and other supplements? Okay, so the main reason for adding supplements in our kids diet today is adulteration in our natural food. Okay, so now let us see what is food adulteration. So food adulteration is nothing but something where the foods are purposely contaminated with additives to increase the bulk, attractiveness, and wherein it makes the food appear more healthy, but wherein you actually see the food is very less in its nutrients. Okay, so that we compromise on the nutrition of the food. So that is what is food adulteration. So we see that food adulteration has reached its peak in cities. Okay, and why is this? Because the foods are often contaminated with additives. And why are they contaminated with additives? This is to increase the bulk, which means to make the volume more. So the moment the volume becomes more because of adulteration, they get more profit in selling the food. Okay, attractiveness. So unless the food is attractive today, nobody wants to buy the food. Okay, so that is why there are artificial colors which are added to fruits and vegetables to make it look more nutritious. Okay, and to obviously increase their profit levels. All right, so today there are many additives which are used in the growing of fruits and vegetables rather than the preparation or the distribution process. So we see that adulteration is generally done during packaging and everything. But today, if you see, even during the growing of fruits and vegetables, there are a lot of additives which are used, and these are pesticides. Okay, so why are pesticides used? Pesticides are used to increase the productivity of the crops. Okay, and to increase the resistance of the crops to the pests. All right. So what happens is the yield that they get in terms of the crop, that is more. Okay. So this is how we see that there is adulteration in every natural food that we have. This is not confined only to fruits and vegetables. It is also confined to all the pulses, lentils, milk, and every other natural food that we have today. Okay. So what does adulteration do? Adulteration decreases the nutritive value of the food. And obviously, since the nutritive value of the food is decreased, adulteration increases the health risks. Okay, so this is the reason that we have to include nutritional supplements in our day-to-day life. So that is the reason even for kids we need to include certain nutritional supplements which will help them to boost their immune system and the energy levels. All right. So now kids' nutritional requirements. So if you see, the body cannot naturally produce all the necessary vitamins and minerals. Okay, so it is very important to ensure that kids get all these vital building blocks in the foods that they eat. So the main reason for giving them healthy food is because our body cannot naturally produce everything that we need. Correct. So there has to be something which goes externally into the body. So that is where we always talk about good food and healthy food, so that when we eat a healthy food, our body gets whatever is required. Similarly, when we give kids healthy food, we make sure that the kids get all the vital essential nutrients from the food that they eat. Okay, but then foods that they eat, are they really nutritious in today's world? No. Why? Because there is a major challenge which we call it as adulteration. So we saw that adulteration decreases the nutritive value of the food. Okay, and increases the health risks. Correct. So that is the reason that the food that we give to our kids is not enough for our kids to boost their immune system and to have a proper growth and development. So now, is there a solution to this major challenge of adulteration of natural foods? Yes, we do have a solution, and that is where Blue Life nutritional supplements come into the picture. So Blue Life has a range of nutritional supplements, okay? So wherein we have supplements for different conditions. So we have condition specific supplements. We have supplements exclusively to boost your immunity. We have supplements to improve your energy levels. We have supplements which are going to take care of your specific inflammatory conditions, your heart health, and so on. Okay. So today we are going to concentrate on the nutritional supplements which play a major role in kids' health. Okay. So we will be talking about supplements which kids who are 4 years and above can consume. All right. So if you see, Blue Life supplements have been categorized into different categories. Okay, so we have categorized our supplements into general wellness. We have categorized our supplements into women's health, wherein we have supplements for women who are 15 plus and women who are in the category of 30 plus. We have kids health. We have categorized our supplements into sports nutrition, and we have categorized our supplement into nutrition to manage lifestyle disorders. Okay, so in our category of kids health, we have products which we recommend for kids above 4 years. All right, so the 3 products of Blue Life range which can be recommended to kids above 4 years are Kids Eye, Multigrain Mix, and Cow Colostrum. Okay, so now let us see each of these products in detail. So the first product is Kids Eye Gummies. So what are these? This is an exclusive supplement in the form of gummies to help manage healthy vision and cognition in kids. Okay. So when we spoke about nutrition, when we spoke about a physically inactive lifestyle for the kids, we spoke about kids being glued to the television and using too much of mobile these days. Okay. So that is one of the main reasons that we need this supplement mainly for kids. The Kids Eye Gummies. So this is enriched with the eye vitamin. Okay, so what is the eye vitamin? The eye vitamins are nothing but lutein and zeaxanthin. So these two are the carotenoids which are very important to have a healthy vision. Okay, so our Kids Eye Gummies has a perfect combination of lutein and 2 forms of zeaxanthin, namely the RR zeaxanthin form and the RS meso-zeaxanthin form. So what is so important about the 2 forms of zeaxanthin? So if you see the lutein and zeaxanthin which is there in Kids Eye Gummies is exactly similar to the lutein and zeaxanthin which is present on the layer of our retina. Okay, so naturally on the layer of our retina we have lutein and zeaxanthin which is present. So because of various reasons there is a depletion in the lutein and zeaxanthin of our eyes which leads to loss of vision or issues with your eyes. All right. So in Kids Eye Gummies, we have the perfect combination of lutein and zeaxanthin in the ratio of 2:1, which is very similar to the natural lutein zeaxanthin present in our eyes. So not only lutein and zeaxanthin, this is also enriched with a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin. Okay. So astaxanthin also contributes to its antioxidant properties and helps to reduce the free radical damage in the eyes. All right. So this is Kids Eye Gummies, an exclusive supplement in the form of gummies so that kids can enjoy eating this and they will not feel that they are eating some medicine or a supplement. So it will be more like a jelly chocolate that they eat. So that is the reason we have, formulated this in the form of gummies. So let us see what is lutein and zeaxanthin. So lutein and zeaxanthin are 2 carotenoid pigments which are present in high concentration in the retina, especially in the macula. Okay, so lutein and zeaxanthin are naturally present in the macula of the retina. Okay, and lutein or lutein and zeaxanthin together protects the macula or protects the retina from the blue light damage. All right. Now let us see what is blue light and what is blue light damage. So too much exposure to blue light can damage the light sensitive cells in the retina. So if you see, this blue light is something that is actually emitted through all these digital devices. Okay. So when our eyes get exposed to this blue light or the white light, what happens is there is a permanent damage to the retina. So if you see, this light directly goes and hits your macula, thereby it decreases the amount of lutein and zeaxanthin from the macula, because of which there is a permanent damage to your retina. Okay. So many people will feel that, I am perfectly fine, my eye does not pain, I don't have any problem, so my retina is intact. But then this white light or blue light, what it does is, it damages your retina so slowly without your knowledge that generally you don't feel the pain. Suddenly one day you feel that your vision is blurred, you cannot see clearly. That is when you go and get your eye tested, you realize that there has been a damage that is made to the retina, and this is because of the exposure to blue light. So this is how the blue light damages your retina. All right. So now this is a diagrammatic representation where we see that there is a lot of lutein and zeaxanthin present in your macula. Okay, so the first circle, normal cell, it shows macular pigment with sufficient lutein and zeaxanthin. Okay, so the moment your eyes is exposed to blue light or UV rays, what happens is, slowly the macular pigment, the lutein and zeaxanthin which is present in the macular pigment starts depleting, or it decreases. Okay, so if you see in the first normal cell, you have healthy photoreceptors. So the moment your eyes is healthy, your photoreceptors are healthy, what happens is, the light comes and falls onto your photoreceptors and it gets reflected back, and that is how we see, we have a clear vision. The moment, because of blue light, the photoreceptors are damaged, what happens is, it leads to premature eye problems. It can be something like a premature cataract, it can be premature macular degeneration, it can be partial loss of vision. So it can be a lot of different things, which is because of the blue light, which damages the layer of lutein and zeaxanthin in your macula, which in turn damages the photoreceptors, because of which your vision is affected. Okay, so there are a lot of observational and interventional studies which have shown that supplementing with lutein and zeaxanthin might reduce the risk of various eye diseases. So the moment we start supplementing our kids with lutein and zeaxanthin, what happens is, the damage that is caused by blue light is known to reduce the risk of various eye diseases. All right. So it is very important to give our kids a supplement in the form of lutein zeaxanthin. So kids eye gummies would be the best recommendation, since it is in the form of gummies and kids would easily eat it without fussing. All right. And the reason to give this supplement today is because in today's world, right from entertainment till education, everything is on the screen. Correct. So we all know that there's a lot of online education which happens today. It is not like the olden days where kids are exposed to too much of books. So along with books, we see that there is a lot of online education which is given to the kids, because of which it is very important to protect our kids' eye from the right age. Okay. So let us see what are the key benefits of kids' eye gummies. So the key benefits are, it helps support visual function and protects against ocular diseases. So as we saw, it helps to protect the eyes from different eye risks. Okay, and it also helps to improve or support the visual function. It helps prevent absorption of the damaging blue light. It helps to enhance the retinal cell light sensing capacity. It helps to promote a sharper vision in low light conditions. So sometimes if the light is very low, there are a lot of people, a lot of kids who cannot see clearly when the light is low. So what happens is, regularly when you supplement your kid with lutein and zeaxanthin or with kids eye gummies, what happens is, it promotes a sharper vision. All right. It supports cognition and brain health. So carotenoids and astaxanthin are also known to have an impact on the cognitive and the brain health of kids. So it helps to support the cognition and brain health. Okay, it helps to protect the brain and eyes. So basically, it is with the natural antioxidant astaxanthin, which helps to protect your brain and eyes, and our carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin have various properties which protects your eye against different ocular diseases and damage from blue light. All right. So the suggested usage for our kids eye gummies is 1 to 2 gummies per day, or as directed by your healthcare professionals. So we generally recommend 1 gummy for kids who are between 4 years and 8 years of age, and 2 gummies is recommended for kids who are above 8 years of age. So what does Kids Eye gummies generally do? It reduces the digital eye strain and it reduces your retina damage. So please try and include 1 or 2 gummies of Kids Eye in your kids' diet daily to ensure that your kids' vision is healthy and there are no premature eye related issues which comes up for our kids. Okay. So the next product in the kids category is multigrain mix. So the Blue Life multigrain mix is a well balanced combination of grains, legumes, nuts, oil seeds, sago and cardamom. Okay, we call it as an ideal breakfast for all. So our multigrain mix is high in complex carbohydrates. It is rich in protein. It is a good source of dietary fiber. It has essential minerals like magnesium, copper and iron, and it also has essential fatty acids and vitamins. Okay, so this is 100% natural breakfast mix which can be safely given to people of all age. This is a GMP certified product. So health benefits across all groups. So our multigrain mix has health benefits across all groups. So when we say across all groups, it starts from kids, okay, it runs to adults. From adults, it can be taken safely by pregnant women. It can be taken safely by lactating mothers. It can be taken by geriatrics, which means older adults. And it can also be taken by diabetics because it is free of sugar or any other sweeteners. All right. So there are a lot of breakfast drink mix or a protein drink mix which you would see. It has a disclaimer which says that pregnant and lactating mothers cannot use this. That is mainly because there are a lot of added preservatives and added chemicals in those drink mixes. But when you see our multigrain mix, it is safe for pregnant women and lactating mothers because it is 100% natural ideal breakfast mix with no added preservatives or no added chemicals. All right. So one of your healthiest decision would be switching over to multigrain mix, which is an all natural healthy breakfast drink mix. Okay, so it is with no added sugars, no added artificial sweeteners, no added preservatives and no added flavors. So since it has nothing separately added to enhance its flavor or taste, we say that it is a all natural or a 100% natural healthy breakfast drink mix. So not just for breakfast, you can replace this as a snack whenever you crave for eating anything. So instead of eating junk or eating something unhealthy, especially in the case of diabetics and when you're pregnant or a lactating mother, junk food is generally not recommended. So when you feel like having junk or when you feel like snacking, our multigrain mix would be the best. And for kids who are very fussy eaters, so this would be one complete meal wherein they would get everything like carbohydrates, fiber, protein, vitamins, fatty acids, everything. Okay, so the healthiest decision for your kids' good health and for your kids' immunity and for your kids' energy levels would be switching over to multigrain mix. All right. So let us see the key benefits of multigrain mix. So it fills the gap between unhealthy meals and healthy food. So what happens is many times kids, especially when you see during times of vacation and all, since they are always at home, they feel like eating something or the other, right? So what happens is usually during such times, parents, we also end up giving them junk food, and they also tend to, crave for eating more food and more times a day. So what happens is when you give something like our multigrain mix, it helps to fill the gap between the unhealthy meal and the actual food that they eat. Okay, so you can try different recipes with our multigrain mix. So recently we had a 11-year-old kid in Kerala who tried some innovative recipe using our multigrain mix, wherein she had coated some banana with our multigrain mix and she had fried it in ghee, so that was a very healthy snack. So it was a fruit with our multigrain mix, which was shallow fried in ghee. So you can always come up with new recipes using our multigrain mix, or you can just consume our multigrain mix with milk. So it has complex carbohydrates, and complex carbohydrates are known to break down slowly, thereby providing energy for a longer period of time. So when your kids have a glass of multigrain mix, what happens is they are energetic for a longer period of time because of the complex carbohydrates that are present in our multigrain mix. Okay, it is high in protein and calcium, so it's very important to give our kids a diet which has sufficient protein and calcium. Okay, and our multigrain mix is high in protein and calcium. It is low in sugar and high in dietary fiber, and it provides the required energy for regular activity and growth. So thereby it improves the metabolic activities. All right. So these are the key benefits of multigrain mix. So let us see the suggested usage. 25 gram of multigrain mix to be added to 150 ml of milk or water so that no lumps are formed. Boil the mixture with continuous stirring to get the desired porridge consistency. Add sugar, salt or jaggery for taste. You can mix it with milk. Okay, so you can try to make a new recipe, and you can also share us some good recipes if you come up with some exclusive recipes using our multigrain mix. All right, so multigrain mix, a balanced nutrition to take care of all the body needs like energy, better brain function, good gut health, regulation of the body temperature, and so on. So since our multigrain mix is full of nutrition, we would suggest that this is one of the best breakfast or a best snack to be given to our kids, so that it helps our kids to stay healthy and helps our kids' immune system to boost. All right. So the next product in our kids range is the cow colostrum. So cow colostrum is a supplement which is carefully formulated using immune milk from the Indian cow, which helps to enhance the immunity naturally. And it is one of the richest source of immunoglobulins, IgG and IgA. Okay, so yesterday when Mr. Raman was training us on immunity, he clearly told us what are immunoglobulins, okay, and how IgG and IgA play a major role in boosting or in stimulating our immune system. So he mentioned that IgG is something which is present in our plasma, okay, which helps to improve our immune system, and IgA is present as the first line of defense in all the areas where there is mucus secretion, right? So we will be seeing how this IgG and IgA help in improving the immunity in our kids. Okay, so if you see, cow colostrum is a natural immunity enhancer. It is rich in immunoglobulins like IgG and IgA. It is a non-processed product and it is a non-fortified product. So if you see, Blue Life cow colostrum is a non-processed and non-fortified product. So let us see what is colostrum first. So colostrum is the first udder production from any mammalian female. So when any mammal gives birth to a baby, the first milk which is produced by the mammal is called as colostrum. Okay, so it is a yellowish sticky liquid with a strong milk-like smell, and it is very sweet in taste. Okay, all right. So this colostrum, or this first milk which the mammal produces after giving birth to a baby, is known to be very, very strong in all the immune powers and immunoglobulins. Okay, so that is why all the mothers are generally recommended to breastfeed their baby, because this milk which the mother first produces from the body is very, very healthy milk, and this is the milk from which the babies get their first immunity. The first level of immunity which the baby gets is from the mother's milk, and it is the colostrum from the mother's milk which gives the immunity, or which passes on the immunity to the baby. Okay, so this colostrum is rich in immunoglobulins. So immunoglobulins are mainly immunoglobulins are mainly the immune cells which act as a critical part of the immune response, and it aids in destruction of the foreign bodies, thereby acting as immune boosters. So as Mr. Raman was telling you the example that how soldiers help to protect our country, being present in different parts of the country. So it is not that they are only present in the border to protect us. So similarly is how our immune system works. Okay, so at different places our immunoglobulins are the molecules which helps to destroy the foreign bodies which tries to enter our body. So therefore immunoglobulins are also called as immune boosters. Okay, so let us see what does IgG do and what does IgA do. So IgG generally eliminates toxins and neutralizes the foreign invaders. So any bacteria, any virus which is about to enter our body, it is IgG which stops them or resists them from entering our body. Okay. So similarly, IgA is something which acts as the first line of defense. So he was talking about tonsillitis, he was talking about the nasal secretion. So everywhere where, because of breathing or because of any natural process that we do, when the foreign particles try to enter our body, so we have IgA as the first line of defense, okay, which helps to act as the first line of defense and stimulates our immune system. All right. So what are the beneficial active compounds in colostrum? So our cow colostrum is high in nutritional factors, it is high in immune factors, it is high in growth factors, and it is high in micro and macronutrients. Okay. So please be sure that we do not add any of these micro or macronutrients or growth factors into our cow colostrum tablets. So this is something which is naturally present in the colostrum or in the first milk which is produced by the mammal. Okay, so it is the inbuilt micro and macronutrients which are there in the milk as such, since it's a non-fortified and we do not enrich it with any external micro or macronutrients. Everything that is present is naturally present within the colostrum that we extract. Okay, so colostrum is also called as immune milk because it has a property to enhance your immunity. So enhance your immunity naturally. Okay, so our cow colostrum is a chewable tablet. So secretion of immunoglobulins by salivary glands is reinforced while chewing. So what happens every time we chew our cow colostrum tablets, what happens is the secretion of our IgA is reinforced. Okay, so thereby, our tablets are more effective in stimulating our immune response. So chewable tablet helps the absorption of immunoglobulin A in saliva, which acts as the first line of defense. So every time we chew, our IgA, is the secretion of IgA is reinforced, and thereby our first line of defense becomes more stronger. Okay. So let us see what are the key benefits of our cow colostrum tablet. So this helps to improve and enhance the immune system of kids. It helps to build a lean body mass. So generally we see that there is a lot of gut related problems in kids. Okay, so generally sometimes some kids have bloating issues, some kids have issue of constipation. So when cow colostrum tablet is taken, it helps to maintain a healthy gut because it is rich in probiotics as well. Okay, so it helps to fight allergy due to the change in climatic conditions. So not just stimulating our immune response, if you see that there are a lot of kids who get this instant allergy cold, or every time there is a change in climate, some kids are prone to getting fever, prone to getting cold, cough, sneeze. So that is called as an allergy cold cough. So regularly taking our Blue Life cow colostrum tablet, chewable tablet, helps to fight allergy due to change in climatic conditions. And this is more because our cow colostrum is extracted from Indian cow. Okay, so generally the colostrum tablets which are available in the market are from cows which are grown under limited conditions. Okay, so wherein they are fed healthy food and then under constrained conditions the colostrum is extracted. But if you see, our cow colostrum is extracted from Indian cow who are exposed to the local climate. Okay, so what happens is any change in the local climate or anything which is related to the local climate, our kids generally tend to get a better immunity to the local climatic conditions and the local infections which generally spread. Okay, so cow colostrum also helps to enhance the natural killer cell activity. This is again the first line of defense mechanism in our immune system. It is also an ideal food supplement for diabetics. So not just kids, it can be taken by adults also to improve their immune system, especially by people who have this lifestyle disorders like diabetics, who generally tend to become immunocompromised at a particular time because of the lifestyle disorders that they have. So it is an ideal food supplement even for diabetics. Okay, so the suggested usage is 1 to 2 chewable tablets per day or more in immunocompromised state. So what is immunocompromised state? So we generally know that many a times there are kids who tend to get some health issues very often. It can be because of the premature birth, it can be because of the low immunity during birth, it can be due to many other medical conditions which can be there. So if you know that a kid has immunocompromised state or is low in immunity, then you can recommend more than 2 tablets a day. But the ideal recommendation for a kid between 4 and 8 years is 1 tablet, and 8 years and above is 2 tablets. Okay. So these are the 3 supplements which can be used by kids who are 4 years and above. So we also have spirulina, which can be used by kids who are 7 years and above. So what is spirulina? Spirulina is the world's most digestible source of protein, with about 12 times more bioavailable and essential protein. It is called as a superfood because of its excellent nutritional content and its health benefits. So our spirulina is organic certified spirulina, and is a spirulina which is excipient free, which means that when you take a tablet of spirulina, it is 100% spirulina. It does not have anything else. So it is an excipient free tablet of spirulina. So let us see what are the key benefits. It is 1,000 times more concentrated. It has 1,000 times more concentrated nutrients than vegetables. It is an excellent natural source of iron and gamma linolic acid. So if you see, our spirulina is known to have 56 times more iron than what is present in spinach. It is loaded with natural vitamins and minerals. It is a potent antioxidant, and it is known to be an immunomodulatory. So immunomodulatory means something which modulates my immune system or stimulates my immune system towards foreign bodies, thereby boosting my immune system. All right. So the suggested usage is 2 to 4 tablets per day or more in immunocompromised state. So generally we suggest 2 tablets to be taken for kids who are between 7 and 13 years of age. And if you are 13 years and above, we recommend you to take 2 to 4 tablets per day, depending on the immunity or the need of the kid's body. All right. So our spirulina, an excipient-free organic certified spirulina. All right. So if your kids are healthy today, thank the nutrition that you provide to your kids today. So don't delay and start all the nutritional supplements which we have spoken of today as early as possible, because 4 years would be the right time to start any nutritional supplement to your kid, so that there is a long-term effect or benefit for your kids. Thank you. For any queries, you can reach us at support@bluelife.in, or you can call us to 080-466-10999. Kindly request you to WhatsApp on 91489 77299. Thank you very much for being with me.